Apart from any other gaming chairs up in the market, this one stands out with its exceptional features and unparalleled style. The graffiti embroidery on this chair is truly one of a kind, and it adds a personal touch that speaks volumes about your love for gaming. Not only does it make a cool addition to your gaming setup, but it also sets you apart from the rest. With this chair, you can immerse yourself in the world of gaming and experience unparalleled comfort, style, and functionality. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or just looking for a comfortable place to sit, this chair is sure to impress. So why settle for a standard gaming chair when you can have one that truly stands out from the crowd? Hey guys, welcome back to Enoylity Technology, your place for the latest reviews and concept render. Before moving further, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for a regular update. This is AutoFull Boom Graffiti Gaming Chair. It's truly remarkable how quickly this chair can be installed, taking only 15 to 20 minutes to set up. But what's even more impressive is the stunning design that will catch your eye the moment you lay eyes on it. Not only is it visually appealing, but the 240.7 thousand stitches of exquisite embroidery give it a tactile quality that is unmatched. And let's not forget about the ergonomic design that makes this chair an absolute game changer. Say goodbye to uncomfortable seating and hello to improved posture, less fatigue, and reduced pain, even after hours of gameplay. With this chair, you can fully immerse yourself in your favorite games without worrying about discomfort or distraction. It's truly the ultimate gaming experience. Comfort and flexibility are key when it comes to prolonged seating, and this chair has it all. The comfortable waist support and 2D adjustable armrest work together to provide you with the ultimate seating experience. Whether you're gaming, working, or just relaxing, you can do so for hours on end without worrying about back pain or arm strain. The waist support ensures that your back is properly aligned, reducing the risk of discomfort or injury. Meanwhile, the 2D adjustable armrest allows you to customize your seating position to fit your need, ensuring that your arms and shoulders are properly supported at all times. It's the perfect combination of comfort and flexibility, making it the ideal choice for anyone who spends long hours seated at a desk or in front of a computer screen. The chair's exceptional comfort and durability are owed to its 11cm high-density native-shaped sponge, which is designed to provide superior resilience. The cushioned sponge's steadfast strength and unwavering support guarantee that the chair will remain comfortable and supportive even after prolonged use. Thanks to this innovative cushioning, you can enjoy hours of uninterrupted sitting without experiencing any discomfort. The designers of the gaming chair took extra care in selecting the materials for the seat cushion, headrests, and lumbar pillows that are most frequently used by players. The use of super soft leather ensures that players will not only feel comfortable while seated, but also when they touch the surfaces. This high-quality leather is known for its soft and smooth texture and provides superior durability, making it highly resistant to wear and tear. So, no matter how long you use your gaming chair, the super soft leather will continue to provide a luxurious and comfortable experience. 2D armrests provide a more comfortable gaming experience by allowing you to rest your arms at the correct height and angle. The unique 145-degree tilt function of the gaming chair, combined with the assistance of the 12-degree rocking function and footrest, can make gamers feel comfortable and relaxed. Your physical strength can be effectively restored between games, helping you maintain focus and energy throughout your gaming session. With this gaming chair, you can customize your seating position to suit your preferences and needs. This chair removes the flanks, so that offers a larger contact area, which relieves your leg pressure. A 52.5cm cushion provides both small and large body types with support and comfort. AutoFull takes care of your neck and legs too. Regardless of whether you're taking a break from a long gaming session, you'll be able to rest properly and with ease by using the reclining lever. With a maximum recline angle of 145 degrees, you can easily relax and snap out of your gaming mode by reclining to 120 degrees. And when you're ready to get back into the game, just move the lever back to 90 degrees. With AutoFull, you can always rely on the utmost comfort and convenience for your neck and leg. The chair is covered with synthetic EPU material, having a sturdy nylon base with a steel frame. This chair can sustain a max weight of 350 pounds. If you like this video, do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and give your suggestions in the comment box below. This is Enoylity Technology, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.